Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to clear your voice for singing. This will be an easy singing tutorial, so let's get right into the video. I'll be going over 3 simple things that you can do to clear your voice and your vocal cords for singing so that you can produce a better singing sound using your best singing voice. Let's get right into this video. Number 1 is to drink only water for several hours before you're ready to sing. If you know that you're going to be singing at 7 o'clock, then from about 4 o'clock you should only be drinking water. Don't eat anything and only drink water. Don't drink anything else, okay? That's because water will sort of lubricate your vocal cords. Water will keep everything nice and smooth. It'll keep everything nice and hydrated, everything nice and moist. I probably shouldn't have said lubricate your vocal cords. It doesn't exactly lubricate them, but it does keep them ready to move, okay? Now picture something. If you have something that's dried up, okay, it's harder to move that thing. If you have something that is moist and wet, it's easier to do things like stretch that thing, okay? So if something is dry, it's not going to be that malleable, it's not going to be that stretchy. When something is wet and moist and hydrated, it's going to be more malleable and you're going to be able to stretch it more. Your vocal cords are the same way, so water doesn't necessarily lubricate them, but it allows them to move much more easily, which therefore will create a better singing voice. So only drink water, and especially stay away from like sugary stuff, because like if you eat something like candy before you sing, that sugar is just not going to do a good job at allowing you to sing your best. You might still sing very, very well, but it just won't be your best, right? You want to clear your singing voice for your best results, then do these things. So only drink water a few hours before, okay? A few hours before you're ready to sing. I mean, even 2 hours is probably more than enough, but if you want to be safe, then try for 3 hours, okay? When you go into the 4 or 5 hour territory, you might be hungry when you're singing if you're only drinking water for 5 hours before you sing. So you also want to make sure that your body is nice and fueled for when you're singing, because it does burn quite a bit of energy when you sing, okay? Number 2 is to sing through the range of notes. So essentially when you sing through the range of notes, you are getting your vocal cords into different positions to allow you to sing much better and clear your voice. So sing low, and then sing high. I'm really struggling. I lost my voice. I was filming a lot of videos and I went to a concert the other night with my wife and my in-laws, and I lost my voice. I'm just getting it back, so I can't go to my highest pitch that I can usually hit. I can't. My voice is gone. But you want to sing through your range of notes. So I would sing deep, and then because today I don't have my voice fully back, I would sing like a medium, something like that. I'm struggling to hit those high notes, okay? Lastly, number 3, what you want to do is to do some deep breathing, okay? Now, deep breathing will relax your vocal cords. When your vocal cords are relaxed, they're ready to move more effectively to sing better and with more clarity and with better tonality, okay? So with that being said, it doesn't have to be a full-blown meditation. You can be working, right? Let's say you're working at your job and deep breathe. So it doesn't need to be meditation. We're focusing more on the breath work. It doesn't matter so much if you're relaxed or not, like as a meditation. What matters the most is the deep breathing. If you meditate, that's even better, but deep breathing is key. So just take do like a few minutes of deep breathing, maybe 3 to 5 minutes of intermittent deep breathing, not constantly, just, in little bits and pieces here and there. And you will do a great job at clearing your voice and getting it ready to sing the best notes that you can sing. And that's it. I can't do it. I wish I had my voice back, but I'm struggling to even talk through these videos. You can probably hear the raspiness just coming through. But that is essentially it. And like I said, I need to drink water to start getting my voice back now. So, water does a great job at clearing your voice and also allowing you to get it back. That's really it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.